I just enjoy taking it from both fucking ends. And then shit.
Don't say shit!
Shit. And now I'm getting back shots.
I'm taller than this.
How tall are you?
Crazy.
How tall am I?
5'11".
Yeah, how tall are you?
No, I'm 6
fucking
feet.
MK? No, you're
I'm
1
6
inch
feet.
taller than me.
I'm tall.
Tall, bro.
I'm still taller than you.
Yeah, by 1 inch. I'm also 6 feet wide. What the fuck does that make? What difference does that make?